Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your IRA contributions on M1 Borrow, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your IRA contributions on M1 Borrow, start by opening the M1 Finance app on your device. Log into your M1 Finance account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and select the Invest tab. Locate the Accounts section from the menu options. Select your IRA account from the list of your investment accounts. Next, look for the Contributions section within your IRA account details. Here, you will see a summary of your contributions for the tax year. To authenticate a new contribution, click on the Add Contribution button. Enter the amount you wish to contribute to your IRA. Ensure that this amount adheres to the contribution limit specified by the IRS. After entering the amount, confirm the source of the funds you are using. This can be either from a linked bank account or existing cash in your M1 account. Follow the prompts to complete the contribution process. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation notification indicating that your contribution is being processed. To verify your contribution, return to the Contributions section in your IRA account after a few moments. Check that the new contribution appears in your summary. If there are any discrepancies, consult the support section of the M1 Finance app. Remember to keep track of your contributions for tax reporting purposes. That's it. You've successfully authenticated your IRA contributions on M1 Borrow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.